Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited about today's video. Chance for me to kind of bring you along in a POV style of what it's like to shoot a rally race. 2022 I became a spectator to the sport of rally and I immediately became addicted. But as a photographer, I really wanted a little bit more than just having that spectator view. So I wanted to share with you guys kind of the process about how I did that, and more than anything I just wanted to bring you along and honestly show you what it's like from a photographer's perspective, a new guy into the sport of rally. You have to have a media license, I should say. So I ended up going to the ARA, and there you can register for either a single event or you can register for the entire year. So I was able to connect with Forest Rally again and get a media vest. So the first thing that I really kind of want to explain to you guys is once you get this vest, it's not going to be you get to go wherever you want. There are certain rules. ARA and Southern Ohio Forest Rally want to be able to know that you understand what you're doing. So there is a rule that you have to have at least 3 rally events underneath your belt before you can upgrade to the next vest. Right now, I'm a red vest. That is the beginners, just the wannabes who want to be out in there in the field. The next up is the blue vest. Those guys pretty much have reign over every part of the rally. The one up from that are the ones where you're actually working with the team, and you pretty much can go anywhere you want within reason, obviously, for safety reasons. But so yeah, that's kind of the whole process of getting there. And so the day of the event this year was, first day was in Chillicothe, and my buddy and I, Logan, we wanted to go down. We both had our license, we had our vest, and found out the hard way that we didn't have as much freedom as we thought we were going to have. But it was still an amazing day, still had a ton of fun, and there's some tips and tricks that I'd like to share with you guys too, to kind of get into that whole area. So check it out. So every day they start off with an expose, and it's a chance for you to really get up close and personal with the cars. You can walk right up, look inside of them. The first day started off in Chillicothe, and my buddy and I, Logan, ended up taking full advantage of walking around and checking out a lot of the cars, meeting some of the drivers, making some connections that way. But the real main event is actually like a quarter-mile track, and it's just a chance for these drivers to show off a little bit. And the main attraction, the part where everybody goes to, is the very last jump. And it is a jump, and it is something to watch. So day 2 was in Portsmouth, Ohio, down at Shawnee State Forest. And we came into this with very little knowledge. I mean, we had gone out, my buddy Logan and I, we had gone out probably about a month ahead of time and did a little recce down in this area. Thought we'd found some great viewpoints to get some photography, but Granted, all of this was under the assumption that we would be able to go anywhere we wanted to. That being said, when we found out that we just had very limited access, we were a little disappointed. But like I was saying before, there is a little bit of a trick that you can do. If you can find somebody with a blue vest or an orange vest, it is okay, and they allow it, that if you hang out with them and you are under their supervision, you'll be able to go with them to shoot these different areas where normally spectators don't get, and just a red vest on your own would not have the opportunity to get. So that's what we did on day 2, is we found a guy named Nate, very awesome dude, and he was willing to take Logan and I around and show us kind of the ropes of what it's like to shoot in the rally race. But I felt horrible because I had everything go wrong.
Alright, so let's play catch up. There is a very good reason why I don't have much footage right now. It's because the first leg that we went, I ended up losing my phone, my long lens stopped working, so I had to manual focus everything, which is not easy with Rally, and ended up not having a SD card in this bad boy here. So I got like zero footage other than using this to kind of show what's going on with the cars coming by. But we came back to the service area to kind of regroup and everything, which has been nice, but we are exhausted because we ended up running. I'll insert some of Logan's like phone footage here.
Josh, what just happened?
Well, somebody started to run because we have to, and somebody left their phone in their very loosely fitted pocket, and somebody's phone has now probably been run over by the entire rally. No, we're good, we're good. Nothing's wrong, dude. My lens is still working. There's nothing wrong with my lens. His autofocus broke.
No, then tell us about your little friend right here. Tell us about your little friend.
Oh yeah, man, it just keeps getting better. I was wanting to bring all the content for you guys, and but somebody left the SD card in my camera bag as well.
You know what we got from it?
What did we get?
Nothing.
Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, there was not much of anything good. No. At least not what we wanted to get. Like, we've got an idea in our minds about what we want to get, but hopefully this next round we've got a plan. We're going to go into it. We know exactly what we're going to do, and we should have a lot more set up for you guys and a lot more to show you. But just wanted to catch you up. Rally, shooting photography is exhausting. It's a blast. It's extremely rewarding, but I absolutely love this thing. So
I I have some footage to show you, but like we had a moment where like we're in midst of chaos, and we just like dip behind the trees, and we're just like sitting there on this edge, like shooting these cars going by, and it was a hectic for the whole time that we were down there. So yeah, anyways, Josh was killer even through the midst of chaos.
You get lemons and you gotta make lemonade, so that's what we've been doing all day. So there's more to come. This is only the day one essentially, so there's more to come. So hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you out there in the woods. Found it. And scratchless. Sick. One down, 2 more to go. I'm just trying to find poison ivy to lay down. Here we go.
There's so many areas that I want to get to, but as an individual, instead of being on a team, as an individual, it's very hard to get to. So you have to be very selective with where you go, and you still, even if you have the different colored vests, you still are very limited in the areas you can go as an individual. If you're a team and you've got like 4 or 5 different people down there and you plan on covering 1 to like 4 cars or maybe the entire rally, then it's a whole lot easier to get set up in different stages and have somebody in position to be able to catch everything. To put it simply, we learned a lot from Nate, just being able to get the pace and to get an understanding of where these racers and how to make a plan of, okay, I want to follow these guys, or this car looks really good. So he gave us a really good understanding of what it was like to shoot this rally.
Yeah, man, it's been an experience, a whole lot of mistakes, a whole lot of learning, but it's been a blast. So this, like I said, this wraps up today, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned, there's gonna be another one coming.
1123 for stage 11.
Capturing the marshal in his element. What a beautiful specimen.